From London to Ghana, yeah. BWF in the house, let's go. Integrity, excellence. We rise together. We stand with you. We stand with you. BWF. When the path is tough, we'll pull you through. From Seven Sisters to Accra too. We stand with you. We stand with you. On the high road in London town. 2028 and a house we're found. And Christine the sound. Family, immigration, wills and probate, we're around. 30 years strong in the game. We're gonna law in our name. When life gets heavy, we lift the weight. Together we claim the fame. Oh, you want a dream? You need a team. BBUF by your side, shine like the stream. From Accra's Golden Dawn to London City Gleam.
Based in London, we are a dynamic award-winning firm specialising in a range of legal services. Welcome to BWF Solicitors, a trusted and experienced law firm specialising in immigration and nationality, appeals and judicial review, dispute resolution, family and matrimonial, and other family law disputes with international context. These include matters such as private child arrangement orders, contestant and uncontested divorce, non-molestation for domestic violence, and financial remedy. Our childcare and family team appreciate the issues facing you at such a difficult time. Our advice is delivered in a confidential and sensitive manner. Meet Bernard Owusu, our esteemed senior partner. With over 32 years of experience and known for his expertise and dedication to serving our clients and the community. BWF Solicitors stands for integrity, respect, excellence, teamwork, diversity, inclusion, and service to the community. We provide tailored assistance specific to your case. At BWF Solicitors, every day is filled with dedication, creativity, and a commitment to finding the best solutions for our clients. Our team at BWF Solicitors is ready to assist you with all your legal needs. You can find us at the 4th floor, Anna House, 214 to 218 High Road, Seven Sisters, London, N15 4NP. Our main office line is 0208 493 7340, or our emergency line is 07712 761 884.
Na bombarding na mesro locating him na yamboa won so timi gero na so say ya ye bebre na mankrofo edo won so say won so beba na ye beboa krata no wonim say unkita krata o UK mountain so a wasam ye na wasam ye pa because enyama bebre wo a won ntumi nya bi wo dey imagine wo yere na ntumi nko hospital ni na krata semnya Ukita osika pa sanka unya be rent dan no ntumi rent dan ni nyan krata asem nya what I say uche say wo ahode ni sanka obeye adwuma na nka wo de abo aban ne kwa ma aban no wonya tax efe hu na ja no so dia or dey develop ne man no krata na woni brinti ntumi nye nta no pay eno nti na ya ba wabobo ano sebra na ya mbo no so tum nye bi nta no pay hwehwe ye kira kwan Our 4th floor Annan House. 4th floor Annan House. 214/218 High Road. 214/218 High Road. And of course, Tottenham Road. 7 Sisters. It's a wedding. We'll do 7 Sisters. And I said, okay, we'll full train now. We'll pay fee. 7 Sisters train station now. We'll pay fee for now. Now, it was our bombarding our friend. Now, you're Baba Fowl. Now, we be answering to me, come. It's bombarding. Now, free in office like 020 84937340 020 84937340. Also, we'll be a road driver. One casa will get our car and our driver. My part of the postcode way. First, I will go drive on the moon. Now, for locating another penny and wow. Postcode name N15 4NP. N15 4NP. Wedding blah. Na yen to me and born almost to me general nice. And I pay BW Solicitors. Oh, we are campaign, we are swag, we are yeah, mo. Oh, me was what's her voice? Ah, see. I don't pay me quite almost them and I know when I don't come on. I know I don't come on. And I'm Yanka Ben on, Yanka Ben. And to Mamma Quanamene, Uncle Ben and Quasha Uncle Motor, so pay you go for buy. On an order BW Solicitors, Mokoyano, a banner more mobbing pa. You have also to me, General. So, in that time now, young court Namene. Uncle Ben and Quasha and Comotion as enough, you know, young for uncommon from boy. Yeah, you're live on Facebook and TikTok and OPD, Miami platform, OPD, Dr. OPD, who call TikTok and one search Dr. OPD, and so you stream live for her people to me. I should immediately be so live for her. Maybe to me, I come out. Uncle Ben, good morning.
Oh, good morning, OPD. That's to say,
Uncle Ben, with Jimmy said, Monso Mohoya Pai Bano, be the real solicitors workers. Obi biala hobiano and pay mohoye
adum ene nhyira anopay yeda wase se wetimi asore no abeka ye ho aseda kese no nso ko matwedi ampon yankopon sa anopay wama ya ho den ya yetimi ade abeka mo ho mechia Uncle Mark ena ne hokafo Irene mechia Rainbow Radio Ghana for nso anopay yechia enuanom a wabeka ye ho sa yebedi dwumai nhyira ene ayeyi ana yedema obia na ene no issues na wo ho no fankola ho bedane ani but OPD sana de bia ye no yede update ebeto ho na update yede beto ho no say Ken Nakasa Ken Nakasa nra na kasa ya no se afeno our friend of parliamentary year no and there government or power no ne ade a eda na ni so a beye mra a beba parliament no or the comma Ken no because I Ken na ban ana eteso enti the friend of His Majesty's government enti Ken ankasa no akasa akasa okan no ye niema Labour government no person odeba intimatina asihwe mu no na immigration no niema miensa ana omo odebai omo fa details mbai because omo so mbeye bill it is a bill no ba and ebehu ade a ewo important na ade ba akono se omo se deportation ene de keka ho no omo obe kekam na deportation and removals no akoten ebiom almost say mo wa overstay anka first no or British bar ye di two na anka fa because immigration rules no and a guidance notes about family life parents and exceptional route na nka wo ba o ye British dear and now qualified child under EX1 and answer paragraph 176B. Ni nyinaa no kyerɛ sɛ ɔwɔ ba a ɔyɛ British a akwadaa no sɛbe ne ho nti ne si yɛ me ne kan ɔmo guidance note no saa na ɛka but in the last few weeks no bi mo de ɔmo cases aba a ɔyɛ maame a ne ba yɛ British a ɔmo agye atum sɛ ne ba yɛ British but ɔmo sɛ because wɔ overstay ne nti ɔnkɔ aban ne sɛ ɔbɛma na ayɛ more aban ne sɛ saa applications no or refuse no ɔbɛma na ayɛ more in fact prior to July 2012 na ɔyɛ obi a ɔbayɛ British koraa na ɔyɛ application a ne yɛmfa mma wo ne yɛtumi ko a ɛma no kɔ judicial review ansa na ɔmo de ama after 2012 no ɔmo sesa law no nti wa overstay koraa na ɔba atena ha 7 years anaa ɔba yɛ British anaa ɔba kuta indefinite anaa ɔba kuta EU pre-settled a ɔmo de ma wo but sisi a na ɔmo sɛ ɔmo ba be refuse ampa ɔmo start to refuse the final thing ɛha me bebree ɛyɛ appeals nti wohwɛ ɔmo appeals and asylum bill na ɛba na ɔmo bɛyi appeals no free nneɛma bebree mu nti human rights family life private life ɔmo bɛyi appeals no free which means wonya appeal biom nti wopɛ sɛ wo challenge a agye sɛ wode kɔ judicial review sɛnea ne nyinaa anim nso no judicial review no ɛyɛ expensive ɛnyɛ obiara nso na ɛbɛtumi ayɛ successful banka wo appeal deɛ a ɛno no level no wɔ fam kakra ama judge no ɛhɔ no nyɛ expensive although sɛ still wobɛtua lawyer ka ebia wobɛtua barrister ka no akɔ no na nka ɛwɔ fam maka wei nyinaa akyi no ma mema mo nte ɛnora mene meba Frank a meni hɔ a ɔno no ɔbɛsi m'anan mu ɛwɔ Thursdays no mene ne di nkɔmmɔ na mekɔ fie ana yɛdi nkɔmmɔ nti sɛna opidu nim no yɛyɛ very busy but yɛyɛ dedicated times a yɛde tena ase ɛhwɛ yɛn ayabrabom ɛhwɛ yɛ clients abrabom decide ɛnɛ dɛ ne yɛbɛyɛ yɛyɛ strategy meeting ano sɛ ɔmo yɛ Ghana awareɛ no a yɛ refuse ɔmo a yɛde call court no sɛna ɔkaa sɛ ɔmbɛtwe asan no ampa yɛpusu mu a yɛde mmara no kɔbɔɔ ɔmo no ɔmo lawyers atwerɛ yɛn sɛdeɛ yɛka no yɛ nokorɛ na the home office case workers na yɛ sɛ woyɛ Ghana ni na woyɛ customary marriage de ba a ɔmo ngye no ɔmo agye atum sɛ ɛnyɛ nokorɛ nti ɔmo pa yɛn kyɛw yɛnsan sɛ yɛ agree na ɔmo withdraw na yɛn withdraw appeal no na ɔmo de bɛma anam sɛ Frank me kɔ fie na woka saa asɛm ɔse ɛnɛ no nko a no mmienu na aba ne table so nti ɔba abɛsan na ɔde akɔ na kyerɛ sɛ good news ɛwɔ mu no yɛde ne yɛ mpa aba because OPD yɛse sɛ you know wowɔ yɛka ne sɛ twi no sometimes ayɛ a mankra na yɛwo mu nti ɛyɛ na twi no ayerɛ
o kan nkran abi a ombeti
nkran nkran ma ohene nkada di wo hɔ de anka me frɛ na kada di bɛkyerɛ ɔbɛkyerɛ me asante twi no na anka me ba bɛka kyerɛ but deɛ mepɛ sɛ meka nyinaa ne sɛ wowɔ adem na wo ne ɔmo kyekyere a yɛndi ngyaw nti because sɛ yɛn
ayɛ sɛ kokromoti no yɛnsa ho mmɔpɔ ma ne nyɛ yie
ampa ɔhu sɛ yɛyɛ Ghanafoɔ yɛpɛ ne ɔda yɛ ano a yɛfrɛ no Uncle Ben ɔyɛ Ghana barrister nti sɛ yɛka Ghana law no a yɛmma home office ɔmo nyɛ Ghanafoɔ nte Ghana law no sɛ ɛmfa bibi ɛmbɛ ha ɛnyɛ hanya ɛwɔ ha pepe ne bɛka sɛ ɔda fam koraa no ɔsɛ ɔbɛsɔre abo nti ɛyɛ good news monkɔ so ɛnyɛ appeal against home office decision na ɔmo mfa Ghana awareɛ no mma mo no because ɔmo ampene koraa ma yɛmfa nkɔ judge n'anim because bɛɛ 3 months ago na meka kyerɛ office for no sɛ Ghana customary marriage and a proxy marriage be or refuse be no. Men a make court akoye hearing.
Yeah.
I'm a chance I'm a uncle, almost all my withdraw. Into OPD, I say one of pay, and why I didn't bring me a no.
We back say good news. Good news. Then I say, Oma, you refuse munya no bet to me as an aya appeal now to me agents. Then I say, Abanasa, a quadia, so far as a qua bibianya and from so on, you have actually granted their mom, and yes, Anna, what Alma.
Sanity OPD, sanity, mo biam paba, monko sonko.
Nanka Ben, I do yankasa wohwemu yebeka se yede so bo ne bebo eye ya yenuanom omode om applications koma foreigners na omunti yan aware na ase no yede so bo ne bebo sankofo no ana efrihimfa wadawroma.
Well, OPD, first of all, I am very careful, said Mekasa, because having me a penimu. And I feel so. Mekai time I started law. Oh, come on, and Ghana lawyers and your nurse. And I true say Ghana for no be brain a near majority because since 1998 I started by radio so your manager shape say na Ghana for perceive Ghana lawyers and Ghana lawyers no see no do na extremely competent.
Yeah.
Nti omontanko Indian for but still no there will be a friend stereotype and stereotyping and stereotypical a case be a stereotype na chere say ye di bibi e foreign nkrofo nyina ti bi e beka say e before ye mpenkoso and e before boys no mo dress ya no mo atwe mo trousers no free mo boxer shorts no say beto mo kotodwe enti stereotyping. The stereotype na America no unfortunately no e bi no kra bi so nya no kra obi obeka cho say me nko Ghana ni lawyer ho because of the experience and obi so ho a ohun broni a India ni on tibrofo minhu India ni on tibrofo sen Ghana ni that I can tell you it doesn't matter nipa o ye see ya wonu ha ya wonu ha India ni most of them lawyers ni bebre no on tibrofo ka brofo crown ti ase. But Ghana ni be kono because the color no e fita and our color na tutu. But eba se bibia Ghana law ka ho se bia wo de oba aba wakoye parental order, custody order and also wo customary marriage. Ye marriage no krofo be brenti ase. Ti obi wo be ka kire say nya aware. And afen so sebe wo de marriage certificate no koma India ni and obi onye Ghana ni and obi onye Ghana ni ba onto Ghana law na say. Oh, who the difference between court aware wedding and a fee aware. In the same way a divorce no a different no because ye timi go aware wo fee. But under section 46(2) of the Family Law Act no say when go aware no court now you habitually resident e UK and I want na UK for more than 12 months ahana ye nje. Enti eno ne niema o de wasem ko Ghana ni lawyer unim de o ya ebebo and to me the may encourage mo because say Ghana for ni nyina e ba ko your lawyers be brave area bia what UK bia Ghana ni lawyer wo enti say ya Birmingham Manchester even London boroughs ni nyina your Ghana for lawyers so to me the bia be encourage made in Ghana ti e was say wo bibia fa ko Ghana ni lawyer ho na onmo.
Okay. For Ghana ni lawyer or not on to me mbo nti ano pay ano ana yeti yene Uncle Ben editor in common of BWF Solicitors ada pay we ever can say good news ebi a wo fi no ebi a wo amfa ho but obi lie mu no good news man nti oh hono ana pay me yankwa na afi no yamfa topic of the day no afi yamfa ntos na afi me man Uncle Ben kwa na ntinsim because Uncle Ben dey ya minya na ye rade ono won hulai no obechechire mamu say yes or chechire mamu ono nko ana ebe legal advisor oya de ukọ bebi ebeji osika but BWF Solicitors there ye the more free ye kwa etumi chire mamu akwa application bi okwa ofi kwa na waye nti Uncle Ben afi ma memfa platform mo na fanya tisim na yentio wona ya o wan some
OPD abse ene ade a yede ba no British citizenship for nkola na the entia ye raise sa topic you know say for the last few months you know ya can British citizenship for nkola British citizenship for nkola enti mpanifo no bebre na omawo no obi wo ho a onim se ne ba na bia ne citizenship no permanent anaasɛ from birth anaasɛ obetumi a register akwadaa no wɔ biribi foforɔ so anaasɛ obetumi ayɛ biribi enti ɛnɛ deɛ mpɛ sɛ mede ɛba no British citizenship a sɛbe nkwadaa a ɔmbetumi ayɛ enti wofa law no a law a ɛwɔ hɔ a ɛbɔ British citizenship ho ban anaa ɛkyerɛ adeɛ ɛyɛ British citizenship your friend British Nationality Act of 1981. Now, British Nationality Act of 1981, no, Section 1.1, no, I say akola yewono ewo UK na ne maame ana ne papa is settled ana ne maame ana ne papa British ana ne maame ana ne papa ewo EU settled status ana indefinite leave akola ne British. Yawun wo UK but enye no nko ane law a kyerɛ akose na akola British efa enti ebi wɔ hɔ a akola no na yawo no Ghana na ne maame ana ne papa British mostly no papa fo no na ne papa no ebi yawo no UK ana ne papa register as a British citizen ana yakɔwo akola no wɔ Ghana ɛno nso no akwanya wɔ hɔ a akola no British automatically and also your friend bibi British citizenship otherwise than by descent enti na kyerɛ sɛ ɛnyɛ automatically passed on to the child but akola no akɔ citizenship enti your friend bibi your friend is section 1.3 of the British Nationality Act na section 1.3 no ade a ɛka ne sɛ akola a yawo no wɔ UK no sɛ ne papa anaa ne maame time ɔmo wo akwalaa no na ɔmo ni asetena nti na kyerɛ sɛ akwalaa no ni asetena nti saa akwalaa no ni asetena no ɛnɛ ne papa ne ne maame abenya indefinite stay anaa ɔmo abenya EU settled status obetumi a register akwalaa no under section 1.3 of the British Nationality Act na akwalaa no abɛyɛ British na requirement ɛwɔ no sɛ akwalaa no still ɔyɛ under 18 years no ayɛ Sa na the same law omo amende no a omo di bibi baya omo fra no section 138 sa 138 no eno nso se akola ansa na obedi 18 no ye wo no na ne papa ni bi ne maame ni bi ye wo no UK ne papa ni bi ne maame ni bi na mmom ne papa ana ne maame akọ ne ameno okọ join ne amena ye wo akola no after yem fan se 13th of January 2010 ana sadi we start here so wo maame ana wo papa ko join ame no ene a na ye wo after 2010 13th of January na kyerɛ sɛ wa kwa British citizenship no e wo sɛ wo register eno nso obetumi aye application obefele from MN1 na odi ayɛ application saa nso na ebi bebree bi wɔ hɔ a nkɔlaa no obi wɔ hɔ a ne yawo no wɔ ha na ne maame ni bi ne papa ni bi na ɔmo wɔnya 7 years na ɔmo ayɛ 2.5 years ɔno nso ayɛ 2.5 na akɔlaa no di 10 years wɔ ha ɛno nso yɛ section 1.4 ti maka section 1.1 maka section 1.3 maka section 1.3a sisi ame wɔ section 1.4 section 1.4 no sɛ si ɛwo akɔlaa ɛwɔ UK na otimi tena ha for the first 10 years onkodi more than 90 days of every single year outside the UK na saa akola no obetimi eno nso a register for British citizenship eno de em say yenuanom no bebree enim na saa section 1.4 no de ehuhia bebree no say ɛyɛ discretionary enti say akola no application na although say yes say discretionary no oh sorry mandatory ɛnyɛ discretionary. Although say yes, ɛyɛ mandatory no. So akwala na di more than 10 years ɛwɔ sɛ ɔmo hwɛ na ɔmo hwɛ ne character. Akwala on the 18 deɛ minim sɛ ebi akwala bɔne ebi na ɔwɔ criminal conviction anaasɛ ne character ne bi nya. Na mmom sɛ akwala na tena outside more than 90 days ɛno nso yɛ issue. Tube nso bi wɔ hɔ na ɔde ne ba na akɔtena Ghana bɛyɛ 2 years. Ɛhɔ no ɔwɔ sɛ ɔne lawyer tena ase na mohwɛ. Because normally we are ɔmmɛka sɛ kɔ GP, kɔgye letter, kɔ nursery. Nti break bi bɛ mu a yɛ normal yɛ suspicious. But even that, under section 17 of the law, no, and under the guidance notes, no, say watena outside for more than 180 and 990 days in the 10-year period. Because 10-year period, you know, 90 days for every year, which is about more than 90 days. Almost all meet me exercise discretion. Now, yɛwɔ UK na wokɔwɔ Ghana. Wotumi pass wo citizenship no to oba no once. Oba na ɔbɛyɛ saa British no, ɔno ɔwo ɛwɔ outside a ɔntumi pass the citizenship. Agye sɛ ɔbɛwɔ wɔ UK. Mewɔ saa subject yi so yi. Ma me nsa nkɔ deɛ sometimes ɛha yɛ nkurɔfo. Obi wɔ hɔ a na wawo na ɔwoyɛ no ɔnware akwalaa no papa na akwalaa no papa ana ɔgyina ne so ɔwɔ settled status kɔmeka ase section 11 of the British Nationality Act. But saa akwalaa no papa no a ne din wɔ birth certificate no so no yɛfrɛ bibi yɛfrɛ no section 59A of the British Nationality Act. Although said the Makanyana may say akwalaa papa no. Saa section no or say akwalaa ne papa no enye ne papa. Because wo ba UK no na wo se wa ware. Enti wonye divorce. Ana wo divorce a wo ye no after owo akwalaa no. Enti na che say date a owo akwalaa no. Akwalaa no papa na ango UK a ankoye British ana wo indefinite anka akwalaa no benya automatic British citizenship. Akwalaa no nya British because wuku na wugya no Ghana ana wuku na wone no ba ha as a student ana wuku na wone no ba ha as care worker ana skilled worker no when no ansa na wone wo boyfriend or your British ana wo boyfriend na or indefinite stay no boy. Enti odo say wo boyfriend no de maka nyina me say one no wo a in that case, no, biologically, no, or boyfriend or your British, no, but legally, no, and I have definition of parent and our father, who call paragraph 59A, and sa paragraph 59A, no more amended, no, 2015, with the British Nationality Proof of Paternity Regulation, 2015 now. You see, akwalaa ne papa. Ene ne maame kun. Enti sɛ wonim sɛ wo ba UK no so waware. Na wo behia boy a one ne nyem a ye sure sɛ wo be divorce ansa na wawo akwala. Saa nso na wo ye application waware EU ni or settled status. Waware British or settled status. Waware Ghana ni or indefinite leave to remain. Na ukoye application ni yamfa mma wo enti wo ye illegal yesi waware no ye marriage of convenience enti wo ye application under EU status yamfa mma wo ye application under immigration rules yamfa mma wo ana say ye ma 2.5 years akire ye fra wo interview ko interview yesi waware no ye marriage of convenience enti ye twa wasitena nim mesraw pa se wonyem na woni obi foforo konyem a mengu saa aware no because oba no wo a sana ye say wone British na ewu ye a ye say anya ne ba na ye wuku o Ghana no ba no because wunja no saa nso na wone wo boyfriend oni bi oye illegal to say wone no wo kromo ha na waware British ni ba ya mfa asetsana ma because ye say waware no ye fake and a marriage of convenience And our worry EU ni or what settled status. But I'm found out because you say wa worry no. Omanji antum oko interview when twa. Men jai sa worry no. Because akola bia obewu ni bia because wa worry no do so omanji antum say ya worry no. Still ya worry a then dissolve you know. Under section 59A no. Oba no ye British. Sanso na wenyem ene worry obi a wahia obi odofo bi wonyem na wodi hia no wonyem 6 months wonyem 8 months even wonyem aka 1 week no wawo ose akosu ya mepel ama mepel efu amepel abana mepel na wonim se woni bi oba no onipa ono na nyem yo no oni na jai but wahia obi foforo a wobetimi ne nipa no aware ene amoma ye Ghana aware ni bi aba wo echi na oba na ye British. Enti the issue ye pese obi ehu ni se maka section 11 problem ni ho maka section 13 problem bi ni ho maka section 13A problem bi ni ho maka section 14 problem bi ni maka section 41 aye British father problem bi ni ho but ye be use to technicality ewo sa di way so my example efua Ajimai ofi Ghana ebai oba as a visitor oba no wabeshia Kofi Antobam eye EU ni oni Kofi Antobam aya aware omako interview no home office na wa efua aware no omo njintum because omo no kofom we enti omo njintum no EU application or ye refuse no for some reason no efu akohia another illegal amunti illegal for me no a omo twempena ana efu ane illegal na anyem se efu awo a na on dissolve aware na ye say marriage of convenience no efu aba na ye British because law ne say wo ba ne papa ani wukun nti obi a waware bia no owo a oba no ne papa ani wukun say even ukotwen mpena wa kire na wode wo ya enti scenario amede ma no scenario ya de ya tell you super sanso na obi abaha onibi onyem nipa no na nyem nipa no ba ye anso ye illegal wa jano ho nti wakohia obi ono onye illegal nipa ne se mepe no aka bosome no kra no wawo a na nipa no ware na odo se nye ni moja ba no law no say ye ne ba nti owo a saa ni kun ni din na beba birth certificate no so because ukọ registry na uka se ma ware ansa na mewo a automatically no ukun no na ni din beba so but biologically no anya ne ba saa se ma make solve problems be brave because we who obi or see o me obi san ma me obi yese but instead say o san ma o no aware mo e better because wa worry say nipa na say ye ne bow say ye ne bow law ne say ye ne ba say marriage no cry a marriage of convenience and law ne say ye ne ba enti OPD we ana ene me pese me de maye nuanom e very technical mashada na mesi hopi because ebie kwan omunya nsi sa kwan no ebie ombesi ne daache but for now no de ye use against omo so mu use against bimo but ye de se na yehunu no se wo use a marriage ekriti citizenship e ma akola no se ye ni kunu ba se nya ne ba once a waware se nipa no oba na ye British nti waware no kra omo se ye marriage of convenience na omo refuse application because when goose aware na one wo illegal boyfriend boy no oba no e wuku ba into ba na British OPD na ibejamo
aha na yedi bejan ebusanke ben na wote ne nka no and we based on kwala ne so enti we ofie wutie na wo akwala bi na wo ahwe wo dwen se na kwala mefa se ma de na menya nkata de ama kwala no na nkben a cheche mu de ama nti dwene wo ba no ho wo ba no da chi so hu hia pa Bomadia. Now, Angbe na obi bisam question bi na me ne ka sam position or say me bisam man say. Or see oni EU ni na awoba na EU ni na ono na wo ye no. EU ni ne wo settlement. Na ono no kita 2.5 no kita no. Opese oji nkrata de ma akwala no. Na nkrata na oji ama akwala no. Obejina ono ne de no so na de age anase obejina EU ni de no so na age because onhu be ma no na obeye de na waje ama akwara no obaji mpa obejina ono ne de so ana obejina eye be ma ne de so ana o se mimisaw eno ne ankoma na me ne hwetwe wo phone so a eja meri abo ni o se obeye de age so onjina no ne 2.5 no so
eti se oni obi awo na nipa no ye settled and now you British. Unhia nipa no so on obeje passport ama no. Oba ya oba. Enti se wo apply for passport ama oba. So we illegal, so 1 year, so 2 weeks, so 2.5. When a ya oba. Enti se wo proof no say one nipa penny into the birth certificate. Who proof say nipa penny or you British and or you EU new or what settled status. And or you Ghana new or indefinite leave. And or you Ghana near or what British citizenship are. I did we hear this proof no and then the birth certificate or by British. Now some more my status my post to success story. Who here British passport now what they are here or application. And your British passport in the castle or banner British. Enti samu nyina me nim de enti a obi a feel say me koye parent route application. I was say me apply for British passport ma me balance. Enti mo pa je say passport ni wu akola no nye British bi man.
Onye British bi man na. Okay.
No, it doesn't make sense. I mean my own video, my true article nra. Hopefully you be publishing it within a week. Because me try say you be ye adwen free. So British passport na nkofu di ekira. No problem. Oh yeah. OPD last week, yes, I exercise. Say, wo OPD, we settled. Na wone ekuyamansa ekowa. Na ekuyamansa will prove say we settled. Udin wo birth certificate in so. Na wonni akola ne life from kra na wonni ho a. Ade ekuyamansa here, will prove say we settled. And prove say we beni into birth certificate. Nema mienu and na chese ya akola na British. Proof say we are settled. Proof say akola na oba, which is a birth certificate. Oh yeah, British passport. Eti krofo bebre and I'm apply for British passport na che and am my and asimi yese asimi and I'm saying yeah. You don't need a British passport. In fact, case na here no some ko review no so. It's about last 2 weeks na nipa na review. Sa nipa no ne buy a British or no ni hwe or your application or your bema or your application no almost on go for akola British passport bra and I make catch almost say yemfa man na yemfa mbachina because anya British passport na kire say akola na British akola ne ma me broni e wo no ha enti say ne ma me broni ne birth ne ma me birth certificate ni akola no so birth certificate ni ne ma me broni you're British. You bet me a corner mammy, a ye mammy, papa, and mammy, when you and I are brought for a woman. A jana booby say ye need, and tea. Open the other call a following day. Was it a day or 2 days? And on the buy said, oh, my dear man. And to the corridor, won't read the review. I wish, sir, we can share. A poignant. Because one exercise I about radio so and because I be kika bibia easy keke. The complex issues na and nuntina ya ba ya de mamo se na be ya mo so no enko chechire mo because law a technical subject ana bibia friend of strategy. Until we call BB a publisher, your friend a success story. Ning I don't say a strategy. So when you use strategy, I'm from our client. Most of our clients are successful.
Okay.
And you say Munya British passport in HD for now. So official say when you're too sure. Beginning of this week, Monday, Papa be in a year, Papa near Sojani. My cousin a year, the girlfriend, because Papa no worry, and then a girlfriend. 1 hour. But Oba him 6 months for Ghana and Sana Oba. And Oma apply for British passport, Ama Kolan. And almost a panunko DNA. And our panatro was on your DNA because my men on trust no. And Okoye DNA never bass and yana bar. Silent and I watch her or you could. Oba and business. Kofi, now we are serious crap. How does how got your passport for say won't trust my man? And I said no crowd. What's it? What a train. One we are so jenny. Me can be beginning. Me can be beginning. My name is Mutie here. The friend is section 14. Sorry, section 13A.
Yeah.
So jenny bia wawu bia. So wo ha oba na British. Wo Ghana oba no betimi a register as a British citizen. Enti say aha no hawa.
And it doesn't matter how your status is. So far as wawun wa hankwa na we so jeni nkwa da kwa na citizen.
Yes, so jeni bia ye exempt. Obi o ye exempt bia che say onye subject to immigration control. It's equivalent or even above indefinite leave to remain.
Oh, okay.
International say our settled status in the sense or you're settled. To the baby we. So also jeni no ko you fancy I no call Afghanistan, no call war Ghana and the banner British, all those are non British.
Wow.
Obano wa had automatically a colony British. But so call outsider. Now you're so near or yes ni pew UK on to kwaya on theater. Theater your war situation.
Yeah.
Only theater and or free UK. I don't know call outside a colony British. But the moment I saw any be free her, akọ war, akọ Germany, akọ baby, our year Juma as a British amino, the banner British. And it's really the kind and the union I say, me or banner to on Casa so on trusted I'm soon. I said, as my okay, dear. Enjoy about to any again on trusted. But the entire me raising when I say the issue of British citizenship and your British passport.
Okay.
Passport a proof of identity and a proof of nationality. Now, sometimes a bit me a proof of nationality. And in I'm man, a more British passport, I assign you free on someone. Enti akosia adwa menu efu amansa ya tenewa akua tenewa aso munyina se wunim se niema bi nkoyi a owo a memfa wasam nko British passport no so because unya proof say akola no papa is settled unya proof say akola no ne papa ni a birth certificate na saa niema mienu no obetime dey your application OPD mesa atoma.
Okay, edina oboboy no me so mfa ba konkan alabasa mankwanu nso otia for some British passport so why anti alabasa mankwanu ma me mfa ahoma ntim na blem na baby question na ahoma na ye bie no sam komo ya atwetwe wo bibi ka won bia wan kasa so personal issue bi na bia opasa obi say no nso no ya kwanda ho e de mama no nso no ni aka we ma na so na obi bisa question on Facebook mi wie na ma ba so eja ojaba ketire efia mi wie na ma ba bisa question na mo why na efe na me call first call about me name corner yenkoti na afi me ba na ma ba bisa question dey amo. Hello, good morning.
Good morning, OP Kofianto Bam. How are you there?
I didn't know the amame no.
Kofianto Bam.
Kofianto Bam ati. O dey se me fa line into Jawai na we ya na wakasa. So over to video agent about 02082260484 02082260484 WhatsApp line is 0777 1950989 0777 1950989 your WhatsApp number obetumi afre obetumi the audio afaso obetumi so the message e dey afaso be kan dey amo your studio line anka say 02082260484 yɛda wɔ ase paa sɛ watumi ahyɛ no nso de ama menua afi meyɛ Kofi Antobam ma Kwame Antobam ma yɛntie wɛ.
Right. Uncle Ben, good morning. Mr. Cho, where are you?
Adumo me ho yɛ pa.
Good. Uncle Mepacho, Mr. Penny na oba kuma na the nneɛma ɛbɛtɔ fam kakra. Ɛna okosia papa bi a okuta settle status wɔ yiyi. Ɛna nyame adom ɔmo ware fiti baare. Ɔmo man 2 half. Na Mr. Tan ɔba na ɔwɔ ɛba a wɔnyɛ mfie du. Na ɔmo pɛ sɛ ɔmo kɔfa no ba. Ba ne kunu no sɛ ɔmfa ne pin koraa ɛmma ne nua baa no ɛyɛ ne yere no ɛma no kɔfa ne ba ne ba. Wadaroma, ne nua baa no nko ara bɛtumi akɔfa ne ba na baa na.
Yeah, ɔhene wo nua baa no nko a betumi akɔfa na ba. Wo nua baa na setena bɛ na wɔ sisia.
Patro okuta 2.5 because oware settle status.
Enti the only thing that cause a problem yɛ sikasɛm. Sɛ na adwuma no mu pin nko a na ɔgye sika yi a obetumi de na ba. Why?
For now, also I did 27 a year.
Yes, ɔgye 27 a yɛma no 2.5 no on what basis? Under 5 years and under 10 years.
Patro, I don't be a minya aware.
Say I under 10 years maintenance near here income threshold of 29. It will be to me say under 5 years I don't know or 27 will be here ni kunu pay slips account. Now I could do 29. Why?
The patro ni kunu say on for mano, on for capture cram mano, see cross on for mano uncle.
And in America catch out say unwie wejuma. Ko say 10 years and I 5 years.
Mate papa.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay. Yes, so yeah, that's it. Kwame Antobam, you work as with your wife.
Yo,
okay, so 020 822 60 8484. Yeah, man, pick a call when I feel no. Yeah, and to us. Hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning.
What to say?
Patrol, I'm here. Tomorrow,
I don't know those. I na up a jaw and the mama and a lawyer to Kawadama. Why? Mo yeah, that's the what we change, papa. Ain't you?
Wadaroma, with the menu have been a question you would go to many na a follow program you pana. The person car, it be someone. Or any in a coffin figure and buy no buy no. Or ne or banning team or bano fee nice or any ma near sanity or any team and on what in the baby. And now Barnes to tin baby uncle. Nampacho, your man 2.5 years now. A bread bay now. Or say up to now, Barno find it and to addresses who says we 1 year, 6 months. Into bread bay as a senko, Barney didn't to address for my said a year, a bus will call renew obey ya.
Ohene, first of all, sir. Uniano one obana ntia a criti erase red flags. Your cases be you're dealing with omonti cause a problem. Usually no the bank account. I reduce I mean person me kasa bebre but our bank account bank statement you post to into bit media file. Not just address in a file. The pay slip and so on say you post to and also bit media file. Because okoye renewal na ombeka so mfa proof a kyerɛ sɛ ɔmotibom ade a ɔmota bisa yɛ cancel tax ti sɛ ne din ni cancel tax no so a sometimes it raise red flags but ɛnyɛ obiara nso na ɔwɔ cancel tax but at the very minimum no the bank statements and the pay slips address ɛwɔ so no ɛwɔ sɛ ɛne ɔbaa no yɛ the same address but ɔmo try no resolve ɔmo problem why.
Lawyer, Pacho, Wadaromana, baby, a bearman or things as or no answer as or guarantee I would cheer council tax in the idea and will be to the problem be about now.
Or Henry, so who tell the American year, Oben say must start a bit frustrated. I don't know how persistent. I don't know how person will hear are they wrong. Obanity baby, on any manity, a very likely say a be sure any search be a one I was a Beman address. And to the fact that or Bemanity baby no, it tells us one of the requirements of the marriage visa, no, say you have intention of living together as man and wife, no. So intention in here because one team boom. Until the moment obeyesa no the copy near the frame interview. Until the American is almost a problem on resolve because one team fa two different addresses. Well, Ghana and yes sir. Tribes be wa mo ware krom team boom. But Chromo immigration rules, no. One of the requirements is one, I was some warrior no, and that's all. Two, beginning more intention say mo betina say kune yere. And at the moment, an intention be any was on betina say kune yere. And ono koye ye ne nneɛma for address foforo na ɔbaa no nso ɛte na address foforo a menim deɛ nti aba ne saa but ɔmo no ɔmo mma hɔ mmɛhwɛ sɛ mote bom a ade ɔmmɛhwɛ ɛyɛ document ɔmbisa yɛ tenancy agreement ɛyɛ mandatory. Two, bank statements no confirm my income but also a confirm my address. Most people no ɛwɔ bank statements and a tenancy agreement ɔmo ni council tax because obi wɔ hɔ a no more shared accommodation. Enti mama yɛnyɛ very careful. Why? I can only advise on our your decision. Okay.
Nationality, that's
Okay.
That's okay.
Yeah. Yeah, so yeah, that's it. Yeah, so yeah, that's it. Yaminka also who number na Bibianya Kama. Okay. Yanko Ahmasini Fire Next caller. Hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning.
Yeah, Obapana, what to say?
Me patron nyame adom me ho yo.
Na Jimmy say.
Me patron
Okay, what the opposite of this question with them? Me into. Nanka no bekasa about the into. Why?
okay. Me patron question na me wo pese me bisa. Me pese me bisa me say. Me kunu ewo ILR ewo Chrome ha say since December 2025. But me mba me wo ma 3. 2 second born and last born me wo omo wa ha say. Na me bisa say almost in many omatna Chrome ha for since 2019. Until now me person me bisa say baby edru no na omo wo me dependent visa so ansa na me nya ILR that was December no. Until me bisa make me ma me no make me apply British citizen me ama omo ana.
Yes, but
yeah. And me ba penny no no me wo ne wa Ghana ansa na me ne ba ha by ye nyina ya tena ha from 2019 till me kunu nya ILR no.
enti ọmụ awụ ọmụ wa ha no deɛ obetumi ayɛ ne straight ọba na ɔde ne free Ghana baa no ɛwɔ sɛ one ne na ɛyɛ bom anaasɛ woyɛ wo British a na ɔno nso ayɛ. Why? Because one of the requirements for ọmụ a yɛanwɔ ọmụ wɔ ha no yɛse ɛwɔ sɛ awofoɔ mmienu no nyinaa ɛyɛ British anaa ɔmo ne na yɛ abom anaasɛ baako yɛ British na baako no ɛni ne life mu. Why?
Oh, okay, nti me kunu wo ILR no me money to me enye British no right.
Why toboneti the American? Oh, once I start me say ọmụ awụ ọmụ wɔ ha no ni problem. Obetumi a register ọmụ as British.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. But the wodi ne fi Ghana baa no ɔyɛ application no under discretionary route. Wohwɛ law na nneɛma mmiɛnsa pɛ na ɔmo yɛ. But wokɔ guidance notes no so a ɔsɛ ɛwɔ sɛ awofoɔ no bi yɛ British anaasɛ ɔne no apply sɛ ɔmo yɛ British.
Oh,
Enti
okay.
ọmụ awụ ọmụ wɔ ha no ɔmo ni problem. Deɛ wɔde no baa deɛ ɔwɔ issue. Ɛnte saa deɛ agye sɛ ɔno di 18 na ɔyɛ naturalization. Okay.
Pacho yo me dance ba me ba no me ye British ne ma no e ma ya refuse no. But
Ɔba deɛ ɔwɔ he a
me hu se me ko ba penny no
ɔno na ɔde ne
wo
fi
Ghana no.
ɔno na ɔde ne fi Ghana baa no.
Ye Pacho ani omo refuse no ba two na aka ne de omo de ne maaye. Ba penny no omo refuse no. E na me bisa say would they consider her say what na krom ha abroad because me ye no ne visa ne sisi na etwem e na me ye we na aba na omo anjantu ntimi nkọ na menye dependent ne extension man na say when I mean yeah.
Ohima mpacho wo aseta be na ukra.
But me what friend say skilled worker visa so.
Ana oba no so aseta be na ukra.
Na or your dependent or service and so to say me kunu enya ILR no.
Enti ukunya ayala no oba no so waje ayala na ma no.
Ɔno na the patro they been no because ɔne nkwalaa nyinaa n'atena no na obi susu sɛ obetumi ayɛ ama nkwalaa ne mmiɛnsa nyinaa ɔmo sɛ circumstance of the bibi
Mpacho
discretion.
nipa no oye lawyer. Oye lawyer papa na so oye TikTok lawyer. Okay, mpacho oba no qualify for British citizenship. Why? First of all, only settlement. Oba no qualify for British citizenship. The entire unqualified is onye settled ɛwɔ UK. Two, na wofo no mu bia ni hɔ a ɔyɛ British. Okay? And just say who tie TikTok lawyer, ana bogus lawyer, ana any other lawyer, onye lawyer papa, a buying session asia. Over £2,000 and £1,200 akene. Ebi na wako to akene. Enti, ana ya kasa muntie de ya ka no. Bacho. Deɛ mebɛkaa no wokaa na ɛno koraa na ɔnkaa sɛ ɔba no ni settle status na mefeel sɛ ɔwɔ ɔmo a ɔwɔ ɔmo wɔ ha ɔmo ni problem ɔmo de bɛma ɔmo issue bi ani hɔ ɔmo ɔnipa a ɔwɔ problem yɛ deɛ ɔde no baeɛ no until sɛ ɔno bɛnya indefinite stay na n'awofoɔ no bɛyɛ British no ɔntumi nyɛ British okay nti first of all wo focus sisi a ɛnyɛ extension wo focus yɛ sɛ ne papa wɔ indefinite nti wo apply for indefinite ama no okay.
Yeah, mpatcho me focus ne say sisi a me reapply extension in man till me ILR ama na
wobɛtumi ayɛ deɛ wopɛ sɛ wobɛtumi ayɛ deɛ wopɛ sɛ woyɛ biara advice a mede ma wo no sɛ ne papa wɔ settled status anaa indefinite stay nti apply indefinite stay ma no ma wopɛ sɛ apply for extension ma no a wobɛtumi ayɛ ɔyɛ
okay mpatcho you me da ase pa
Okay, yanso yada ase. Na minkofa next caller. Hello, good morning. Hello, good morning. Hello, good morning. Na on what to say? Yeah, nyame adom. Em say nka wo ye ja ho kakra. Oh. Me ntie. Eya no apagya wo ndim kakra ma me wa dawro ma. Enhu hia me pa.
Me pa chon pese me visa lawyer pe. Me wa anya me citizen. Na me o DRC no. Onko posting pampa o se ohu an survey video they say you fan kubi na me visa say e wa sem to say.
Okay, last 2 weeks you post two whereby say you're my British old BRIP no almost say post to bra. But say won't post two yi na watwitwa ma eh okay. Why?
Okay, yo, with that.
Okay, okay, my pick your call away now, Fino. Yenti, honestly, dear woman. Hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning.
Yeah, but good morning.
Hello, good morning.
What to say?
I try my more back now, sir.
Hey, you may have o voice in chaos. I'm a pound to make us say I'm doing say Miami voice. Nah, okay, my interior, whatever.
Okay, my first question is about Uncle Ben.
Okay.
So who apply for a British passport? Also, I'm bisa for first 5 years history, no. Hello.
Yeah, you're Tiopa, you're Tonkapa.
Also, I'm requesting for 5 years history, no. That history, no. Can you also also use bank statements, also bank statements in case only or partner or joint account. Also backlist, or print statement. I think it's a summary, no. eba one kata own offense statement in aba. Now maybe say the 5-year history no. Can you use your GP history and not say your HMRC offense history no? And I say it's a bank statement when I so use.
Oh, yeah, okay, so we apply for British passport. Oh, just apply for British citizenship, naturalization.
Yeah.
Okay. And to say we apply for naturalization because we have a 5-year route under Section 6(1) of the British Nationality Act. I am up a proof, maybe a P60s for 5 years, council tax for 5 years, GP records for 5 years, HM revenue and customs records for 5 years. We were fine, we near any problem. And to buy over to use GP and HM revenue. Why? And our P60s. Why?
Okay. The second question is so who are Eunice and now we are divorced now. We're standing on your right. And now we're in Nassau. 5 years Nassau now I apply for first indefinite. But so apply I don't know it take how long until when you first free home office.
Well, under EU rules, Eunice Eche, and I would say anything from a couple of months to about 6 months. First, the crowd now instant, and I'm saying a check akra. Yeah, from I would say about a couple of months. A couple of months.
Okay.
Hmm.
Our uncle name that now who see to himself at town tea. Maybe about
Okay, and I make a check tailor or pamoyeno. Okay.
Asem we wa kokan suiti mkoto bisha na nke ben di ahwehwe ni yehu a o baba wetata mi.
Oh, there be uncle Ben nobody different. Oh, they're them fatal.
Hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning. Uncle Ben.
Good morning.
Yes, sir, boss. Me pass some more question kakra Uncle Ben.
Okay, what I remember into you.
All right. Me pass obi a yaman letter say the company revoke the license near more 30 days. After 30 days in the term, main applicant we're losing the right to work, but dependent others want the right to work. Me pass your side dependent see almost one European citizen but so meet my area now.
In fact, I have encouraged you say them because say online e-visa now and then a right to work and a year juma. There's an argument say in our citizen, but bear in mind say I was so in term now and also I'm free. So why?
Okay. Thank you very much.
Okay.
Yeah. Thank you. And say that's next. Hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning. Now, what's it saying?
Good morning.
Good morning, Ahima.
Okay. But my question is there were parents' roles for 10 years. And I'm monitoring how the first new September week. But let me discuss the mission as the summer to 5 years and but parents need to make it benefit.
Okay, which Obana Swana?
That's right.
Okay, where are Juma?
But where Juma, yeah.
Yeah, I'll bet me I switch it to 5-year route. I could have never pay a settled now.
That's right.
And we are English now. Now they will pay slips in your account. And a tenancy agreement. I'll bet me I switch it to 5 years. Why?
Okay. But I didn't hear English before September and maybe you know.
Well, dear, what do you know? We'll try to September. Would waste too time. Eunice here. Because the already was 10-year route, and counted towards 5 years. And Eunice here, I meant trying September. Why?
Okay, I'll show you.
Okay.
Yeah, so Yes, yeah, that's it. Pa. I'm gonna be the question be the about what's happening. So now say, OPD, please ask this my question for me. Otherwise, I'll see you. Okay. I say good morning, OPD. Good morning, Uncle Ben. I have two children. They come from Ghana. Through their father, but since day one, they have they have been live with me. They have their settlement. They have their settlement 2 years ago. Can they apply for naturalization if their father is applying for citizenship? Please, Uncle Ben, no question, no. Wadauruma.
ɔmbɛtumi ne ɔmo papa ayɛ abom.
Between
Yeah.
non papaya album. Minia, what the question bear with WhatsApp also there no. Obi so the audio nearby by audio no. Wabobo a DB woman tiana in pese because I say confidential class and co ye didn't film and kebab nti minia so betuma asan ye audio no bi aba na mom ye didn't film why na yankasa wada worma. Hello, good morning.
Good morning, OPD.
Brapa ina what to say?
Nami adumo na so.
Adum no dos bon sam na nimu go ase. And pe anke ben 8 me yan mom rep.
Yo. Good morning, Uncle Ben.
Good morning.
Akbe ya da sene we wa pa ya boa Ghana community. Akbe pacho kasaro beginning no now say we overstay now British citizen kwana ye fama na no hono na kampeze minya chirebu kakra se ya fama wa e na wo betima ye. Se bi obe yo ba o de visit visa ne ba and obe overstay. And wow, we know be our British owl, and our Korean British, you know. But all can say, they say, young farmer, we overstay now. To patch your one on the day, your way forward the net, again, just the patcho.
Enti me nkase yɛmfa ma wo. Me say sɛ na ɔmayɛ new law no ɛne ken no ne state of the the statement or the call parliament no ɛne deɛ yɛastart here in the last few weeks no ɔmo refuse awofoɔ no nti sɛ yɛ refuse a ade a ɛwɔ sɛ woyɛ ne sɛ ɛwɔ sɛ woyɛ appeal nti woyɛ appeal a na wakyerɛ deɛ nti a ɛwɔ sɛ yɛde ma wo because akwadaa no yɛ British ɔmo a guidance notes ne sɛ sɛ wowɔ ba a ɔyɛ British ɛne sɛ ɛyi wo fi kurom ha nti ɛwɔ sɛ woyɛ appeal aye. Okay. Any answer that?
Okay. I'll say okay. Yeti yankwana yankweti yentie audio we na yenhwe de ankepen ewo edema no.
Interfere Samoa. Good morning, Uncle. Good morning, OPD. I'm patronizing a discussion and make create a scenario be the Ashisha answer. Interfere Samoa about Kromoha 2002. Oshia Dofubi. Nurse and call Kofi no nedo koware. Omo koye our recrata free fear by. Now we fear Samoa and Kofi Sabrina. It's no.
Mesra wa wo fra WhatsApp no mamesima wa na me pick up.
Omodi aware krata de kotum no senkama ni nkululu bi omokohia no no. Eko fa stamp bi enye papa esi efi asamo book mo. Eso we free Ghana but those days na wokoba esi e stamp si mo share so akwaba. To omodi aware ne ko fikesi mo no. Ya adi antum no mo hu se stamp ne nye papa. Ana omo bae senko mbe fe fia asamo akọ krom. Ano dwane ye. Fast forward, if you have someone, our ne man and we're using the man who may use 2.5 years. I say, if you have someone in an indefinite stay, and our train 1 year and son of our British passport because when you couldn't say, it's by inference. No, does it therefore mean say if you have someone, it will legally then by our rear? young gentleman because almost what the baby was in the papa nana. If he has someone between me, I a British passport says, yeah, and I says, or train, my affinity. Just by the inference of Santiago's Uncle Ben, I explained it. My patron, my question here. Both again, I have a good day. Bye.
Well, I mean, if a case work scenario, I brilliant. You bet you be questions I have a boapa. Sana, we a law student, or call exam, sir. Sana, you be question. TMA case work scenario, no, I solve problems. And OPD, you starting solve problems.
Yeah,
Yenim
so.
sɛ yɛnua bɛyi ɔyɛ customary marriage. Yenim sɛ obi kɔyɛ bank stamp esi mu. Ama no nti no ɔmo refuse an application no on the awareɛ no because ɔmo nipa no a ɔyɛ lawyer no onim sɛ wankɔ Ghana koraa yɛtumi yɛ awareɛ ma wo. Anyway, fast forward. Ɛnɛ wawowo ma ne mbɛn nyin ɔno amu ɔbɛnya settlement. Sɛ ne kun ɛnyɛ British citizen a ɛwɔ sɛ onya settlement ɔtwɛn 1 year. Sɛ ne kun yɛ British citizen a ɛno no wonya settlement no ɛnɛ a wobɛtumi ayɛ British citizenship. Nti ɔhema egyina sɛ ɔware British anaasɛ ɔnware British. Forget about na warrior baako no sɛ ɔmo kaa sɛ nyɛ papa. Under the law no the law no recognize home office no recognize. Nti saa awareɛ no no ɔde gyina so sɛ ne kun yɛ British deɛ ɛnɛ a wobɛtumi ayɛ British citizenship naturalization application. But say ɔne nipa no agyae a ɛne ɔwɔ sɛ ɔtwɛn 1 year. Enti ne answer no na mede ama wo no.
You're solving it to pa. Or some type of hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning.
Scenario no also what do you about now?
Radio Vichiamo.
You also you.
Pacho, person maybe some lawyer say my application ama member miensa. Na tama ye application no enkwala no ma option to pay IHS. But na say no ma send email ama enkwala to say yenkotia IHS no. Na the third person there almost send a link and someone send say yenkotia. Ntina mama ye a bit confused because your application at the same time and I'm checking emails and so near the minya email bia and you know no my a bit confused or when I be meet me at the third person na minya link and
Yes, I mean first of all, we are in call application na ɛwɔ sɛ ɔmo tua IHS na ɔmo bɛyɛ decision ana ɔmo ɛbɛ send a link. Nti ebi baako na aka no ɔmo ndu time ɔmo bɛyɛ decision. Nti ɛno ansɛ ɛwɔ sɛ ɔtwɛn. Deɛ ɔmo de aba no tua na twɛn baako no. Why?
Okay, you're my
See, I know I could answer some kind of frame in my bed. Why? Hello, good morning.
Okay, good morning.
Good morning. Unimi.
But I will have a call.
And you're dumb now, swear.
Miss me, who you're
doing a number by Ben, the making.
Uncle Ben, good morning.
Good morning.
Me passion, let me say, maybe say, as I'm saying, your life in the UK, a requirement I had indefinite and
Yes, so under immigration rules, sir. But what's the American?
Me passion, I'm
Yeah, so under immigration rules, a mandatory requirement. Why?
Okay. Then say what transfer why apply for indefinite?
Yes, that was our answer.
Okay. Me that say. Yamin count.
Yes,
Bye.
Hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning.
Morning. I'm to say.
I do voice in phone power. Me bre.
Okay. Good morning.
I had. Me into you, Adaroma.
Michobia, but person be so say oh yeah, naturalization application now. So you break the immigration rule. Does it apply? Say, who kromwana wuni visa wuni say no. Does it apply on that? And I say when your visa when your assistant navy and I apply.
Or here, or question there, because Mitiasi, I'm Mitiasi, you. But your son can be.
Mpasa mpasa mu sɛ kwesi ba kurom ha na oni ɔyɛ overstay na ɔwaware yiyi oni ɛna wanya indefinite nti ɔyɛ naturalization na does it apply for a immigration rule break na we time na ɔyɛ overstay no wɔ kurom ha.
And be overstay no and say use and once wa qualify no bit me why?
Okay, that's great. All right.
Good luck.
Okay.
I open the question so if a marriage has been refused as a marriage of convenience, but the other party has ILR, will the child become a British citizen, grant the father of the marriage of convenience a stay? Yes, sir. Sir Obi, worry Obi. Na even nipa no yɛfa sɛ ɔbaa no yɛ British. Na one no worry. Na mo kɔ interview ne sɛ ɔbaa no a ɔyɛ British no. Marriage ne yɛ marriage of convenience. Na ɔbaa no ne obi foforɔ kɔwo a akwara no yɛ wo ɔba because sɛ one no worry. Enti wobɛtumi agyina akwara no so de ayɛ application. Once or direct contact to the child. Very technical, but that's what it is. Can my baby travel without a British passport, uncle? This is Anita, thank you. Yes, Oba betimi to kwan without British passport. Anya British passport on kwan di to kwan. So who to kwan na Oba na British? Obetimi aje Ghana passport. No aje certificate of right of abode mano. Victoria, I'll say how long can my child stay out of UK? I'm on a 2.5. Well, Ohima say Oba no na wujina ne so a. You're very, very careful because you don't need the man. And to me, can't say 1 day and not 2 days because Ujina Obano son our age. Senabaya Uncle Coat to Miss Uncle Benson or Tenasa 1 year crowd to me about. OPD, please ask this for me. If the man signing is not ready for marriage, what is the best way for the woman to apply for her own? Adomba Kwaju, I really don't understand your question. If Nana Awahene, please, what is the situation if your father brought you to the UK and he died whilst you have overstayed for visit, but your father is a British citizen? What is your way out? What a question. Really, there's absolutely nothing I will be to me. I was so qualifying your own right. That's how we are now. Ernest Yee, I'll say, hi, please. My question is, do I necessarily need a DNA test when applying through my British child? No. Next question. I'm the questions and answer. Hey, long one. Rosina Tete. I'll say, my husband holds ILR. He had it on the 17th of December 2025. He applied for MN1 Section 13 for 2 UK-born children on 9th of January 2026, who were on dependent skilled visa, which was to expire 14th January 2026. We also applied at the same time for MN1 Section 1 for our 13. Oh, we my answer that. My answer question. Yeah. Okay. Any more questions?
I think that.
Obi online.
Obi online so. Yeah.
Okay, let me answer last one. Protocol Kwame Safo. Uncle Ben, God bless you for your sacrifice to the community. I'll say, is there an update for skilled workers? Because now it's very difficult for those whose companies have revoked their license to get a switch. Or here, say, unya license. Young people know. Some would dear bro. Timushi man and mema. That's all I can say at this stage. OPD. Yes, after
good morning.
Good morning, OPD.
Nyame adom. As a voice in the from Kakra Wadaurma. Mm. Nti mo worry bisa na yenko yen why me nti
Uncle Ben, good morning.
Good morning, Adum.
Okay. Uncle Ben, me problem here is me by school the last year. Me cousin here my pick with my man. Now, okay, fake scholarship, you know the year. Into me buy and later on, me realize it's a scholarship no more into ya. Into I contacted the school say scholarship no more. They should give me a payment plan meet me there. Mama say so far as time na pound the this getting in nti me back and forth sɛ mantimi anya positive results mfiri ɔmo nti ama mantimi ankɔ nti masetena aba abɛsɛ nti mefrɛ mu nyinaa no na mebusaa ne ho asɛm na ɔka kyerɛ me sɛ I shouldn't worry na ɔbɛ different asetena ma me ɔse EU nti mebaa na mennim anything ɔno nim me kaseɛ na mennim no hanom sɛ nti biribi ɔno na mefrɛ na metete mu kyerɛ no EU na ɔde too mu no nso so a ankɔ yi nti sɛ masetena mu hanom sɛ no ama adɛ sɛ and I'm saying, my bisa sɛ kwan bi wɔ mɛbɛtumi aboa me ama manya asetena hɔ anom sɛ a
I will say wo office wo na yambo why because all there no make us say anke betumi am answer of the so na ebe din kakra nti me wie na me the office line betu dwa wo ana say wo begina so na me the amawa na wo wi afre na wo ne omo nkasa na mo book appointment mo na ko hu omo why I think say no mbebo ana anke ben the american also
better the kind no ano no opedi
I think say no mbebo why menua nti why radio na me fa no man mo na afi no yenkɔ na yenkotie Pamela so de wo man metum the number na mo okay the office line is 020
okay
84 93 minya feedback or ho 73 yeah 73
0208
4
49
37 340
0208 4937 340
that's it na frɛ why open kwa frɛ sisi a na woni omunko entwetwe nkomo na omumbo why na eno mom your best why wadaworoma why nyame shiro pa all right Tony ha dwon Tony say anke ben wa kan ye pa ye na ye ba na ya ba wa wara bi Tony won ko ade oba nkame nkame mpene oba bia mpɛ Tony oba bia mpɛ anke ben me yen hwɛ na yenko Pamela ho na yen ti do wo de me yen brand da so anisa na afi no yen sore na the nation is take over so Pamela ye ka do na yen ti
ye be ko Pamela ho
Good morning, OPD. Good morning, Mr. Owusu. Good morning to all our lovely viewers. Today, our topic is on British citizenship for children, British passport problems, and hidden nationality law issues affecting many families. So, a lot of people don't know that their children are British citizens from birth, or there are other routes which their children have acquired British citizenship. So, the law that governs British citizenship for children is the British Nationality Act 1981. So we'll start with Section 1(1) of the British Nationality Act. So under Section 1(1), if a child is born in the UK to a parent or parents who have British citizenship, they are indefinite leave to remain or settlement under the EU scheme, then they are automatically British citizens. So the other way under that same section, if the child is born outside of the UK but to parents who have the same British citizenship or indefinite leave to remain or settlement, they would have gotten their citizenship other than by descent. So that is not automatic but it's acquired because their parents or one of their parents is a British national or has their settlement or their indefinite leave to remain. So aside that, you can also look at Section 1(3) of the same British Nationality Act. So under Section 1(3), if at the time the child was born, their parents don't have, citizenship or settlement in the UK, um, they can acquire British citizenship as well, but then that one is by registration. So the law has been amended for the Section 1(3) that if you've given birth in the UK and then you later become a citizen yourself, or you later get your settlement in the UK and you join the army after 13th of January 2010, if you were born after that date, you have acquired citizenship through your parents. So you can register by using the form MN1. So the difference is with the Section 1(3), if your parents gave birth to you and at the time of your birth they did not have any citizenship or any settlement under the EU scheme or indefinite leave to remain, and they later got it, you can then register to become a British citizen. And then with the Section 1(3)(a), if after 13th of January 2010 you were born and then your parents had joined the army by that time, you have acquired British citizenship and can also register using the form MN1. Then we then look at Section 1(4) of the British Nationality Act. That's if a child is born in the UK to parents who have nothing, so they are maybe on the 2.5 route, and the child has been in the country for 10 years or more, the child can also register to become a British citizen. This one, it is mandatory that the child will get it if they have been in the UK for 10 years and they have not left for more than 90 days in a year. They will be able to get their citizenship by registration. The thing is, if your child is over 10 years and you are applying on that route, the Home Office would have to look at your child's character. And then if you are also married to somebody under Section 59(a) of the British Nationality Act, it says your partner or your husband at the time of your child's birth is the father of your child. So there are a lot of people who, because they've heard that, oh, if I give birth and then my partner or the person who I gave birth with is having their settlement or their citizenship, my child will also be able to get their British citizenship. Section 59(a) says that's not the case. The case is your husband or your partner at the time who you are married to is your child's father. So biologically, your child's father may be having citizenship or settlement, but your husband is your child's father. So there are a lot of people who maybe have come to the UK who are married and then they have given birth with somebody else, but their partner also has nothing. Your child will have nothing because your husband has nothing, although your child's biological father has their settlement or their British citizenship. So if your marriage has broken down and you are now pregnant for somebody else, please make sure that before your child is born, you have gotten a divorce from your husband so that your child's father would not be your husband at the time. And there are also circumstances where you have applied for as a partner, and then the Home Office have said your marriage is one of convenience, but then the person you are married to has their citizenship or has their settled status. Please don't just go and divorce your husband, because if you give birth, from Section 59(a), it says your child's father is your husband at the time of your child's birth. So even if the Home Office is saying that your marriage is one of convenience, the fact that the marriage has been contracted and is a valid marriage, your child's father will be your husband at the time. So please, I hope this helps all of us. These are very different routes, many routes, which your child could get their British citizenship through registration or automatic citizenship. I hope this helps all of us. Have a nice day. Thank you very much.
Okay. Thank you so much, Pamela. Thank you so much. Na yam kwan ke ben wana fi yam ko wie no kra kra. Ba an ke ben ansa ne ye be soro so kra no ye ntie last one we na fi yam fan soro so wada wo mana when you last message in your fan, sorry. Auntie, okay. Yeah.
OPD, good morning. Pacho, what is saying? It's your Uncle Ben's store. OPD Pacho, Simon, Uncle Ekasan, no check if you say the best way for the beat me Abuama, maybe I'll call it British passport, but I said, or pay year. I don't know our rate. If you have a man, Bearman or West Line, be now worry. They be a man, scratch who age nine so the balance of the and Grata, Kawaria, near the best. Then we say, in most cases, no, yeah, the man, sorry. Man, no person may be our rate. Everyone will be a big person of mine, which will be signed out back. Them on the basis, 9 one of us and new. Our real party on person bed. Then we say, in this case, no, maybe a Beman to me, a mark British passport. Yeah, mamma so a could not acquire Ginedia, and no, Diana, a crime bear so no better mafa. The aqua Ginedia, yeah, mamma no so. There's crabs of a fast with me, Crana, be a papa, yes, and a mano, or the Iana. The crabs on so fast with Nidia. It has.
Uncle Ben, obviously, dear no, in the phone, no, dear no, so.
Well, the issue I was you be assignment of the Mentiasia. The Mentiasia, and say, oh, yeah, Oba now Oba Papa, a British, Oba non so British. To be to me, Oba no a British, and so without a British passport, now the our application.
Okay, okay. Uncle Ben, you last week and feeling fans.
Well, last week, you spent several weeks, a couple of months on British citizenship in Angola.
Yeah.
What the NTIS community no struggle on that. My mama scenarios be a creative British citizenship, a Macolano straight away. And a scenarios be wono very technical. Into Obano papa enya ne papa, bane papa enya ne papa. Into one se kasa amaka na very confusing. Obano papa enya ne papa, bane papa enya ne papa. Into where Obano papa enya ne papa ne says wa worry obi a nipa na nya British. Now Obano papa enya British. Obano papa enya ne papa because ne papa oya British na won worry no. Ono na ye ne ba. Ba nipa na wa worry na enya ne papa no. Ono na ye ne papa. Into Obano papa enya ne papa. Na de enya ne papa no enya ne papa. Nti ene we na mdi bejamo. Oba no papa enya ne papa. Na de enya ne papa no enya ne papa. Law no anekasa. In the same way no, where oba no papa enya ne papa no, na de enya ne papa no anaya ne papa no. So woni obi anyem na waware obi na nipa no enya ne ba ene wonyinsen na awo no. Na wo a oba no papa enya ne papa. Na emom de enya ne papa no anaya ne papa. Acha said de waware no oya British no. Enya ono no nyemo obi foforo nyemo no oya illegal. But because law no say oba no papa enya ne papa na ne papa ene wukun no. In this case no wukun no ama oba no British citizenship wabra enya ne papa. Enti de ene de be end ne say oba no papa enya ne papa. De enya ne papa no aya ne papa. Adepa enchi nyina.
Okay, adepa enchi nyina anope yada BWF Solicitors ase Uncle Ben and oni atwetwem koma ono nso no ekofa ba opanyin pa oda dwumeko ya no and anope oni abetwetwem koma a obi bi nsam so de ache and no wo ma yegina yankwala no so yankwala na ye behwe no monkrata so wo ma yegina mo so ahwe ma eno so bibia so tumi aka mte no yade besi ha na nyame aduma next week no so yasan aba biom na yade foforo so aba abeto so na me kai wo se nyame aduma Saturday so no BWF Solicitors o mo ba live wo mo Facebook wo mo YouTube wo de update na de bro esan so ebe educate eba no immigration laws wa o ebe educate Saturdays intime so na wa hye so na Saturdays so ya na wa hye o de ato timeline so na so tumi abo ebia de ye kan wa hai wa mbetomu ntem nyama fa wochi ni nyina oba nyame adoma Saturday no so otumi enya eho ebi nsu na etire bia so tumi aka na pay GH akwan ebia wo no bibi how kakra pese wo mbra ye ho na ye mboa wona bibia so ntumi aka ma se de ye nua ye oba ye o kan de ya o ba ye office me ya abo ni won so gina bla office in Yambo, now also to me Gina Wanaso, and I pay an office line, and I say an office address, a 4th floor, Annan House, 4th floor, Annan House, 214/218 High Road, 7 Sisters, 214/218 High Road, 7 Sisters. Yan postcode N15 4NP, N15 4NP, and no yan address yadi edit more ye ho. Sanso na wo bana sa wo hwe na ebia bibiba fa oni so be bibiba sabasa. Na na se we do onso ba why a wo hu bibi ye wa abomoden na fe yan office line was 020 8493 7340 020 8493 7340 number sinibio 020 8493 7340. Sanso so na wait me afra yan emergency number na was 077 127 61884 077 127 61884. Wo frɛ na yɛbɛgye wo so na yɛne watwetwe nkɔ no bibia so tumi kama wo nso ebia wo bɛsɛ wobɛfa bus na wode allocate yɛ na buses a wobɛfa no numbers na ɛdidi so bus 149 bus 76 bus 76 bus 243 bus 259 bus 259 bus 279 bus 279 bus 318 and last bus is 476 what first our buses we nana e do ba yan akacha na se e do be fire akacha we to me esi na wonso to me aba na bibia so to me aye kama e dia montana pebra na yambo na bibia so to me akama medin Edi nana to jagu OPD the second said a meeting can no a high rainbow 92.4 FM BWF Solicitors your number ha and I remember kwan edi dwumedi ni esi na yene ankebe mundinkra na yenjom kwan na monko na nya afi member studio na mechichia adofo ba ku mini bi na min advert ba ku mini bi so mfamfam na min soro so na menko na bibia so ntumi aka nti ankebe te mantie nkebe ma yene mu edi nkan me adma next week yebese na hie biom ya kramu
Based in London, we are a dynamic award-winning firm specialising in a range of legal services. Welcome to BWF Solicitors, a trusted and experienced law firm specialising in immigration and nationality, appeals and judicial review, dispute resolution, family and matrimonial, and other family law disputes with international context. These include matters such as private child arrangement orders, contestant and uncontested divorce, non-molestation for domestic violence, and financial remedy. Our childcare and family team appreciate the issues facing you at such a difficult time. Our advice is delivered in a confidential and sensitive manner. Meet Bernard Owusu, our esteemed senior partner. With over 32 years of experience and known for his expertise and dedication to serving our clients and the community. BWF Solicitors stands for integrity, respect, excellence, teamwork, diversity, inclusion, and service to the community. We provide tailored assistance specific to your case. At BWF Solicitors, every day is filled with dedication, creativity, and a commitment to finding the best solutions for our clients. Our team at BWF Solicitors is ready to assist you with all your legal needs. You can find us at the 4th floor, Anna House, 214 to 218 High Road, 7 Sisters, London, N15 4NP. Our main office line is 0208 493 7340, or our emergency line is 07712 761 884.